In the single system, we have already learned about what is single system, what are the main points in single system. Right now we have to learn about features. What are the features of single system? Single system has a lot of features to learn. First point is single system is inaccurate, unscientific, and unsystematic method of recording business transaction. Inaccurate. In it means we have in the single system we have to record a business transaction not in a chronological order and not in a date wise order. We have to prepare as per our wish. It is a tumultuous situation while preparing while preparing transaction. Inaccurate means in the single system we don't prepare trial balance. In the trial balance we have to check the arithmetical accuracy, it is right or wrong. When it is not prepared in single system, it is prepared on double system. That's why in the single system the arithmetical accuracy is can't checked. Is there any mistakes? It will be going on like this. Is there any chance to rectify the errors in the single system? That's why single system is called as inaccurate system of accounting. And another one is unscientific. In the single system we don't have any rules and regulation to prepare account, but in double entry system we have all the rules. In the double entry system we have 32 accounting standards and a lot of rules and regulation to prepare account. In double entry system we have seven concepts are the seven accounting concepts. That's why double entry system is a scientific concept. It is an unscientific concept. It don't have any rules and regulation to prepare accounts of business transaction. And unsystematic method of recording business transaction. Single entry system is unsystematic. In the unsystematic means we didn't follow any rules. We didn't follow any systematic manner in while preparing business transaction. It will be the transactions of business we can't be recorded as in chronological order and that is a date wise order. We can't be prepared in days order. That's why this is called unsystematic method of recording business transaction. And the other point is no record of real and personal account in most of the cases. In most of the cases we can't prepare real and personal account. In a single entry system, the three types of single system are there. One is simple single entry, another one is pure single entry, and third one is quasi simple single entry system. In the in in the simple single entry system we don't prepare any real account, only we prepare personal accounts. Third feature of single entry system is cash book mix of business and personal transaction of the owner. Sometimes cash books include drawing personal expenses of the business owner, that is called drawings. It is one of the defects of single entry system. That's why the personal expenses of the owner is included in the business transaction. It doesn't show the correct financial position of the company of the organization. That's this is the one of the feature of single entry accounting system. No uniformity in maintaining the recording of transaction. In single entry system we have to maintain the systematic record of transaction. That's why it doesn't follow the chronological order, that is a date wise order. That's why is there any is some is a chance to record the transaction as a double times. That's why it is not show the uniformity. And another point is profit under this method is only an estimate. Under the single entry system is the profit is only under estimate system. Under this system we have to we don't know it is a accurate or inaccurate. In some cases we missed the lot of figures in the cash book and personal books. Sometimes we don't record some transaction due to forgetfulness. That's why this under the profit under this system is only estimate. And another object is advantage and disadvantage of single entry system. In this advantage of single entry system are simple and easy, economy, easy to calculate profit, and suitable for small business. We have to learn about it in a briefly. Simple and simple and easy. Single entry system is a simple to understand and easy to maintain as it has no fixed set of principles to follow while recording business transaction. Single entry system is simple because it don't have any accounting rules and regulation to follow to prepare a record business record of transaction. That's why it is simple, and there is no there is not need to any proper skill to prepare accounting these accounts. We can prepare it ourselves to know the financial position of the organization. That's why it is simple to easy because of only no fixed set of rules and regulations. And another point is economy. It is an economical system of recording financial transactions. It does not require hiring skilled accounting personnel to record financial transactions of the business. In the double entry system, there is a lot of rules and regulations and accounting standards and principles to prepare business record of the organization. That's why it is required accounting skilled person. It needs more capital to give him the proper salary. That's why it is can't bear the it can't bear the small business firm. But in single entity system they don't have any rules and regulation to prepare accounting transactions of a business. That's why it is economical. Any firm can bear the expense of single entity system. And another point is easy to calculate profit. Under the method, profit can be determined easily. The amount of profit and loss can be determined different between opening capital and closing capital. In the single entry system, we don't need to prepare any other ledger books, that is sales book, sales returns, purchase returns, salaries, wages. No need to prepare these books. Only we have to know the opening capital of the business and closing capital business. With these figures only we know the financial position of the company and profit of the organization. That's why it is easy to calculate profit. And another point is suitable for small business. Single entry system is simple and easy and economical system. It is suitable for small business because they can't afford the cost of double entry system. Besides, small business are not required to maintain their books of accounts under the double entry system. Single entry system is a simple. We already discussed simple and easy and economical. But small business have not a higher capital to run the business. But a double entry system has a lot of capital require to require to require business transaction double entry system. Double entry system need some capital to prepare business transaction. It needs some skilled accounting personnel, but we have to give proper salaries. It is not offered to the single small business. That's why it is suitable for only small business. In the large business firm, the single entry is not suitable for recording business transactions. We discuss about advantage of single entry system. We have discussed about advantage of single entry system. Right now we have to discuss about disadvantage of single entry system. Single entry system has a lot of disadvantages. First one is unscientific and unsystematic. Second one is incomplete system. Third one is lack of arithmetical accuracy. Fourth one is does not reflect true profit or loss. And fifth one is does not reflect true financial position. And sixth one is frauds and errors. And seventh one is unacceptable for tax purpose. We have to know the brief knowledge about these points. First point is unsystematic and unscientific. The single system is unscientific and unsystematic of regarding financial transaction. It does not have any set of rules and principles for recording and reporting transaction. Single system doesn't have any rules and regulation to prepare accounting transactions of business. It does not require any accounting standards, any accounting concepts to any rules and to prepare financial position of the company. We can prepare it It is a general purpose. Anyone can prepare that single entry system as per his wish. And unsystematic. Unsystematic means we didn't follow any any method to prepare a financial position. It doesn't record all the transaction in a suitable manner. No, you can't prepare any ledger books. You can't prepare any ledger book. Ledger books is giving accuracy accuracy of the financial position of the company. And the second one is incomplete system. Single entry system is incomplete because it does not record two aspects of the transaction of the business. It does not record any business transaction relating to nominal account and real account except cash account. Incomplete system means single entry system only record only one aspect of the business transaction. In accounting system we have two aspects of the transaction. One is single debit aspect of the transaction, another one is credit aspect of the transaction. But in single entry system we have record only debit aspect or credit aspect. That's why it is a incomplete system. But in a double entry system we are recorded dual aspect, that is credit aspect and debit aspect. It does not require any business transaction relating to nominal account and real account except cash book. In the accounting we have two types of account. We have learned already what is impersonal account and personal account. Personal accounts are debtors and creditors are come under the personal accounts, and the impersonal accounts are come under nominal account and real account. In the real account lot of accounts are there. One is cash account, purchase account, machinery, lot of accounts are there, but we prepared only cash account. We didn't prepare any other accounts except cash. In this single entry system we have to prepare only cash account. It is the main book in a cash account. And then in the nominal nominal accounts are include all the expenses are losses. Under nominal account consider sales purchase, sales purchase, salaries, rent, bad debts. lot of lot of expenses are last expenses in this nominal account. We didn't prepare any nominal account in the single entry system. That's why it is an incomplete system of accounting. In the in single entry we followed only incomplete system of recording transaction, because it didn't use it in complete system of recording transaction. In complete system of recording transaction we are used double entry system of accounting. And another point is lack of arithmetical accuracy. It does Lack of arithmetic means it does not based on principles of debit and credit. It fails to arithmetical accuracy of books of accounts, and trial balance can't prepare to check the arithmetical accuracy of the books. We already discussed in the single entry system we have recorded only debit aspect and credit aspect. Without these two aspects it can't be give arithmetical accuracy. Is there any missing is in debit or credit we can rectifying in any step. But in a single entry system we prepared only debit or credit. That's why it is not we don't have any chance to rectify the errors. That's why it fails to arithmetical accuracy of the books. In the single entry system we can't prepare trial balance. The trial balance give arithmetical accuracy of the books, but we prepared the right things or wrong things. Is there any errors? Is there any errors in the preparing? If we don't have any chance to rectifying errors. But in double entry system we are prepared the trial balance. In the trial balance, is there any errors in the error we can rectify, because in the trial balance it show the debit side and credit side give one equal answer. The arithmetical accuracy is given is right, but in the difference is there any difference came, is some mistake happen, we have to rectify it in some step. That's why in single entry system lack of arithmetical accuracy is there. And another point is does not reflect true profit or loss. Single entry does not reflect true profit or loss. Under single entry system the amount of profit or loss can't be ascertained true because it does not maintain nominal account. We have to know the true profit or loss of the company. We have to prepare nominal account. Nominal account means nominal account gives which expenses are occurred, how much expenses occurred, which of the amounts we received, in which of the incomes and gains we received. Under the comes under nominal account. Without a nominal account, it can't be give true profit or loss. That's why it does not reflect a true profit or loss. But in a double entry system, every nominal account prepared, it can be forwarded into uh, trading and profit and loss account and P&L account. In trading and profit and loss account, we are maintain factory expenses, which are the expenses are occurred in factory, that is carriage inwards, oil, office, factory rent, factory maintenance charges, that are under the comes in trading and profit and loss. Under the under the P&L account, the expenses which are occurred in office. Office means carriage outwards, salaries, bad debts, office salaries, all are coming under the profit and loss account. That's why it show the true profit or loss of true profit or loss account in the double system. But in this system, we don't have a chance to know the profit and true profit or loss account. That's why it reflects the true profit or loss account. Um, because of not preparing of nominal accounts. And another point is does not reflect the true financial position. A single entity system doesn't reflect true financial position of the business organization. It doesn't maintain real accounts in expect cash books, therefore it doesn't give true financial position. In the single entry system, we don't prepare all real accounts, only we prepare only real cash account. Except cash account, we can't we except cash account, we didn't prepare any real account, that is land land machinery purchase. We didn't prepare any single entry system. The these are the accounts are giving true financial position of the company at the end of the end of the period. But in single entry system, there is no chance to prepare a balance sheet. But in a double entry system, we have a ch- we have a chance to we have a chance to prepare a balance sheet. Under the balance sheet, we, we are recorded all the assets in credit side of the balance sheet. All the liabilities are recorded on the debit side. That's why it is give a true financial position of the company. It is accurate. It is give accuracy of the business organization. And another point is frauds and errors. In single entry system of bookkeeping is not systematic and not not scientific and not systematic, and it is incomplete. It doesn't check the arithmetical accuracy of books of accounts. Therefore, always possibility of committing frauds and errors. In the single entry system, we didn't follow any uh, systematic. The systematic means we didn't prepare any business transaction in a date wise order, that is a chronological order. It is the main defect of single entry system. It give commit to frauds and errors. Sometimes we can't record a business transaction of the day. That is the main defect of single entry system. And the another another possibility is in the single system we don't prepare trial balance. In the mainly trial balance give arithmetic gives check the arithmetical accuracy of the business transaction. Is there any frauds and errors in the trial balance? It can be checked on in trial balance, but we can't prepare in we can't prepare in the single entry system. It is also main thing of the committing frauds and errors in a single entry system of accounting. Sing, and in the single entry system is a not it is not scientific. Scientific means we have in the every scientific system we have some rules and standards and concept to prepare a single system. How to prepare, how to maintain books, how to forward, how to backward. In the all the concepts are under the scientific system. But in single system don't have any rules and regulation to prepare and to follow the accounting transactions. And another point is unacceptable for tax purposes. Single entry system is incomplete record of business transactions. The tax office cannot accept the account under the system of assessment tax. Single entry system is, it don't prepare all the transactions of the business. It is not giving accurate accurate business financial of the company, how much of profit get under this system. We don't know how much of capital in the business, how much of liabilities and assets we don't know in the single system. That's why the accounting tax officer can't accept to assessment tax. But in double entry system, we we end up the financial position. We have some records and books to show the tax officer. It is suitable for tax assessment officer to make a tax on our profit and our end of the period income. And another point is defects of single system. Single system have lot of defects. Defects of single system have: it is a not scientific method, no trial balance, absence of nominal accounts, absence of real accounts, internal check is not possible, difficult to ascertain the value of business, do not inspire the confidence. First one, it is not a systematic method. It is a not scientific method of accounting, because it doesn't record of the twofold accept of the each transaction. We have already discussed in the disadvantages. The disadvantage and defects are both are same, but we have to learn something in the defects. See, it is not scientific. It doesn't follow any rules and regulation to prepare transactions of the business. It doesn't record the twofold accept of each transaction. That is, in the accounting system, we have two aspects of the each transaction. First is the debit aspect of the transaction, another one is credit aspect of the transaction. But in a single entry system,